this car also has a very useful function, which is automatic parking. We can see that on the screen you can choose to turn on the automatic parking function. The vehicle will tell me what to do next and ask us to release the car. Now the car has been automatically parked through its radar and camera. Parking space. And the parking space we parked has other cars parked on both sides, and there are no obvious parking markings on the ground. The T5 EVO is now very accurately parked in the parking space, and a position adjustment has been made to ensure the passengers on both sides of the car there's enough space for them to get off. I just finished reversing the car. Now let's look at how to solve the side parking space. This is also a common situation with side parking spaces. There is one car at the front and one at the rear. The parking spaces on the side have very high requirements for the driver's sense of space. But we saw that under the calculation of the trip computer, this parking space, with almost the same length as the T5 EVO, after adjusting the position several times, it stopped smoothly.